Giraffe. Okay? Next. Octopus. Octopus. Look at mama. Octopus. Octopus. This is an octopus. Look. Octopus. Hey. A do da do da do 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 do. Boop bam boop bam bum 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 bum. This is a spider. Spider. Do you want to touch the spider? Spider. Oh, you're not afraid of spider. Ooh. Oh, you're scared. Okay, mama will let go. Ooh. Then we will have. Oh, what is that? A bzzz. A bzzz.
Mama, you gotta say the animal first before
Yeah.
you say bzz.
It's a bee. Bee. The sound of a bee is bzzz. Bzzz. Oh, very good listening, eh? You have to listen to mama. A zzz. A zzz. All right, next we have ta-da! A very cute panda. Touch the panda, touch. Wow, that's a panda. Panda, panda. A panda, panda.
And a kung fu.
Panda. Kung Fu Panda. Remember, we watched Kung Fu Panda. Okay, so this is panda. 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 All right, next. Picture, please. All right, what is that? Ooh. Chuku, 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 chuku. Chuku, 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 chuku. Here comes the deer. Deer. Tuk, tuk, deer. Tuk, tuk, deer. This is a deer. Oh, you touch the deer. Touch it, touch it. Deer. All right, next picture, please, mama. Aho! Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is a parrot. A parrot can speak. Do you know that? Huh? A parrot can speak. Parrot, parrot. Julian, Julian. Ooh, that's the parrot. The name of the parrot is Julian, Julian. Now, Nida, Nida, Nida. Parrot. See? Parrot. This is a parrot.
Do not say the letter R.
Oh, so how do I say parrot?
No, pat. A pawot.
Okay, next please, mama. It's a giraffe again. A long neck. The name is giraffe. How do giraffes sound? How do they sound? Gapataka lang. Anak mo din.
Mama,
Okay,
you
you
look.
touch the giraffe. Touch it, touch it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, but you don't eat the giraffe. Okay? Now you can touch the giraffe. I hope we can go to the zoo and look some giraffe. Find some giraffe in the zoo. Okay, Mike? Alright. Do not do the camera like that. I told you to do landscape. And your fingers are nasa camera. Di makita.
But sure, it doesn't have. It don't have.
So muna siya kung ang imong cameraman, imong anak. So anyway, this is the end of our reading. Giraffe, as a recap, giraffe.
Giraffe.
Please. We
Octopus.
have octopus.
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 Next is
Spider.
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 Wincy, wincy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up Came the sun and dried up all the rain.
Spider.
And the
Spider.
incy spider went up the spout again. Mana to siya? Okay. Next is next panda. A very cute little panda. Is that a big panda? No, it's a baby panda like you, boy. Tan 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 tan. Oh. Okay. Rup bum 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 rup bum 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 nicka nicka nick. Next, please. All right. Next is the deer.
Giraffe, parrot.
Not the deer, but a deer. Touch it. All right, touch it, touch it, touch it. Deer. Next is
Parrot. I knew it.
parrot.
I knew it is parrot. Coyote.
I am Nino. I am Nino. Are you Juliet? Are you Juliet? Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Yes, that's a parrot. Good job. You're touching the parrot. Then we get back to the giraffe. All right, so that's the end of our flashcards, reading flashcard animals. All right. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, everyone. Hope you enjoy our video for today. Bye-bye.